I'm not spending 50,000 for an Eid outfit, so this is part 2 of finding really pretty outfits under 15k. So I have a lot of new brands that I've discovered and they have some really nice designs. This new brand that I've recently come across and it's called Nora, and that's what I'll be starting off with. So I really love this piece from their collection. It's a printed kaftan. I love the sleeves. I love the color plate. Just for 8,900. I really think this is such a nice option for Eid. So another one from their collection is this stunning red outfit. I see a lot of girls wearing red on Eid, so that's why I've tried to incorporate a lot of red outfits. I love when there's detailing on the sleeves and more on the maroon side, and I really love that. It's for just 14,000. There's another white and red outfit. I love this color combination. I love the embroidery for just 9,200. And another one from their collection is this beige light brown sort of a look, and it's for 15,000. I love the embroidery on it, neckline, the sleeves, and I love this piece as well. Such a pretty shade of blue or sort of a teal. Has such pretty sleeves and detailing on the dupatta as well. It's just for 13,000. And then we have this classic white from Akbar Aslam. I'm actually obsessed with this one. It's the perfect white for Eid. Then we have Dear June. I love this green piece, detailing on the trouser as well as on the sleeves. It's just for 14,500. Another one from Dear June. I love the work on the lowers. And then we have another one from Dear June. It's for the minimal girlies. The sleeves and the trouser again has really pretty detailing. Another brand that I'm covering today is Zarif or Zarif.pk, and I love this light pink sort of. I love the embroidery on the sleeves and the dupatta for 13,500 only. I think this is the one for you if you're looking for a red piece, because I am obsessed with this one. And it's red on red, which is always a good idea, for 14,000 only. There's another one from Zarif. It's a little on the minimal side, but really like that for Eid as well. And then we have Armas clothing. I did cover them in the last video as well. This kaftan from them, it really had my eyes on this one. And there's another one from Armas clothing. This shade of purple definitely has my heart, and it's for just 14,500. And this one as well from Armas clothing. It's perfect outfit for Eid namaz or an Eid lunch. We have this one as well. I love the black and red combination. I'll also quickly include this brand named Murad Retail. I love these two pieces from their collection. This green one is just for 15,000, and this white and blue one, I really loved work on the trousers. It's also in the same price range. Another brand that I'm going to cover is Ayn Clothing. I love this blue piece. It's for 13,500. I love the sleeves on it especially. Then there's this really pretty black outfit for just 10,000. It has that cape style to it. There's this blue one for 12,000, and then I love this red moment again for just 13,500. I love the silhouette and love the work on it. And last but not the least, my favorite one is this purple outfit with this crushed fabric as the inner. It's for just 13,500, and I think it's such a steal. So we have Sahar Online. I heard a lot about their new collection, and I love this white piece from their collection. Again, a classic white on Eid is always a good decision. So yeah, that was it for part 2. I really tried to cover a lot of pieces for you guys in this part, so I really hope this helps you out.